Com, and someone sent me this PANO and I'm able to release it. So I thought this was hilarious because they were like, what is going on with this PANO and what do you see here that worries you? And sure, I'll be glad to tell you all the things I see. Sorry, some of the graphics are covering up some of the things now I realized that I wanted to see. But I mean, first thing you notice is that it is a light wire, but is it a light wire because they actually made a helix. This is like a really old school orthodontics. So it's got to be a stainless steel wire if they were able to bend this. So basically this wire isn't doing anything. So I think this wire is hilarious. I don't even know what this wire is doing. It's not doing anything. So it's not like it's a light wire like a night tie. Secondarily, you can look at the angle of the roots and then the top of the bracket. So something like this, where the root's going this way and the top of the bracket is going this way, is improperly bracketed. Even like this one, look, top of the bracket. Okay, occlusal plane. That's not bracketed right. That's not bracketed right. And anyways, if they're trying to intrude this, it's not going to intrude these because these eights or third molars are blocking the intrusion. So this is not working. Improperly bracketed. Obviously, a canine is supposed to be higher than the adjacent teeth. So this bracket needs to be moved down. You can't quite check necessary bracket position from a PANO, but you can roughly check it. Obviously, you're going to have to double check clinically. But if a tooth is super wonky in terms of tipping like this, that's a red flag. Also, I'm looking at the root resorption here. It's super blunting. I don't know if it started that way or if this happened, but that would be a red flag. Same thing here. This is getting eaten away. This is not just failure of apex to close. And also, anyways, given that this patient is either an adult or over age 13, given that the 12s have come fully in, the 12s, the 7s, yeah, these would already be closed. So root resorption, improper bracketing here as well, improper bracketing here as well. This tooth should be higher than the rest. This is definitely improper bracketing, and this is a terrible looking filling. But anyways, I just thought I'd point out a few things. You can tell so much from a PANO x-ray. Make sure you're taking your Progress PANO x-rays. Progress PANO x-rays on all ortho cases are standard of care within 12 months, and sometimes even less, depending on what's going on. But bare minimum, every 12 months, one should be taken. I have a lot of content on Progress Records. All right, check it out. Thanks.